Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you a recipe of passion fruit mousse. First of all, to prepare this recipe you will need a lemon and a condensed milk and a gram of milk and a pulp of passion fruit and unflavored gelatin. Now, here's an interesting fact about this recipe. Did you know that passion fruit is not only delicious but also packed with vitamins and antioxidants? It adds a spicy twist to our mousse, making it a perfect dessert for any occasion. Alright, let's get started. You will need to start by placing the cream of milk and condensed milk and a pulp of passion fruit into the blender. And start. Once that's done, add a splash of dissolved gelatin into the blender and start the game. Fantastic, our mixture is ready. Now simply pour the mixture into the individual glasses or a bowl. Now, don't forget of grate of skin of lemon. Then add a sprinkle of lemon in the dessert. Finally, pour it into the fridge at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, the dessert is ready to eat.